Okay, Namaste and welcome here again India Yoga practice series or Abhyasa program. And here today I have a Jala Neti and a beautiful pot with a selected saline water in it and approximately body temperature. Jala Neti is another simple technique to work, and as you already know how to do Sutra Neti, and normally after completing Sutra Neti on both sides, it is best to work Jala Neti on both sides. It gives a tremendous relief. In case we have a nasal allergy, please avoid the Jala Neti on those days, or you do proper warm up and make sure both the nostrils are able to breathe properly, then only do Jala Neti. And Jala Neti is one of the very important practice for multiple different problems like migraine, tension headache, or sinusitis, or respiratory related issues, people suffering from asthma. It helps a lot to overcome. And always remember, try to do both sides one after the other. How to do Jala Neti? Once everything is ready, slightly bend a bit front around 30 degrees and turn the neck around 30 degrees and prepare the Neti pot and insert the nozzle of the Neti pot into the nose and make it sure the mouth always kept open to breathe, and softly raise the pot slightly up there. Once you finish, and fill the pot and repeat the same thing from the other side. That completes the Neti, Jala Neti on both sides. Then go and do some few of the beautiful stretching front and back around 10-15 times. Any condition, the water left over on sinus cavity can be easily relieved out through. Okay, then you can continue your day-to-day activities. First 2-3 times when you do, you have to just carry a nasal things every day there. Thank you and see you soon in the next video.